Hello everyone, this time I will discuss job interview strategies and frequently asked questions. The first one, tell me about yourself. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Nishina Hairunisa and I have a background in administration with significant experience in human resource management. I graduated from Muriakutis University with a degree in human resource management. I previously worked in the administration department activities where I developed a range of essential skills in administration and HR management. My main duties included filing documents and managing schedules and employee data. I was excited to bring these skills to the HR role at this collection, where I believe I can make a significant contribution to operational efficiency and employee well-being. And next, why do you want to work here? I'm very interested in working for this company because I have a great interest in the local fashion industry. I am amazed by how the company has managed to combine the uniqueness of local culture with modern fashion trends, thus creating products that are not only high quality but also have high cultural value. In addition, I really appreciate the company's commitment to sustainability and empowering local communities. This is in line with my personal values and I feel motivated to be part of a team that contributes to such noble goals. I am confident that with my enthusiasm for the local fashion industry and my people skills, I can make a positive contribution to the company and help it achieve its strategic goals. And next, what are your strengths? I have good communication skills, adaptability, and an interest in human resource development. My communication skills will help through group projects and internships, allowing me to convey ideas clearly. I'm also quick to adapt in a new environment as an experience during my internship in a fast-paced place. Lastly, I'm passionate about people development as evidenced by my initiative in mentoring college and organizing team activities. I believe this strength enable me to make effective contribution to the HR team in the fashion company. Okay, what are your weaknesses? One of my weaknesses is that I am sometimes too detail-oriented, spending too much time on the little things and not enough focus on the big picture. To overcome this, I develop time management by setting time limits for tasks and prioritizing work. I also actively seek feedback from colleagues and superiors to stay focused on the important things. This helps me to be more efficient without sacrificing the quality of my work. And next, how do you see yourself in 5 years' time? If I see myself in 5 years' time, I hope that I have been part of the team that contributes to the development and growth of this collection, as one of the most popular local clothing fashion brands in Indonesia. In my position as human resource staff, I want to be an influential person in improving the quality of human resource in the company, as well as helping to increase customer satisfaction through the development of effective recruitment and career development programs. Within 5 years, I hope to have gained extensive experience in the HR field and have become a respected leader in the company. I want to be an example to my peers and be part of the team that contributes to the success of this collection. Why should we hear you? I believe I am the right choice for the position of HR staff at this collection because I have the skills, experience, and passion that match the company's needs. As a fresh graduate, I have solid basic skills in HR and experience throughout internship and projects during college. I have good communication, analytical, and teamwork skills. My passion for fashion and local culture will also help to creatively improve customer satisfaction and company success. I look forward to joining the best collection team and contributing to the long-term success of the company. And this is the job posting poster I use. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention.